Hi, and welcome to Tooltips by Arlene. My name is Arlene from CMB Computers, and I'm delighted to have you join me for today's tooltip. These tooltips are designed to make you smarter and more productive in small increments. If you haven't seen any of the other tooltips, follow the link in the box above to the YouTube channel where you can discover some more useful tools to have in your kit. Today we'll be looking at a wonderful time-saving feature that has been around in Windows since Windows 7 and is highly underutilized. The feature is known as Windows Libraries. They are one of the most misunderstood and at the same time the most useful features in Windows. They can help you organize your files and folders efficiently. By using libraries, you can build a system so that you can always find what you want in seconds. Not only that, but you can also sort, tag, or edit files and folders with just a few clicks. You can think of a library as a virtual collection of folders in your system. It's virtual because it's not a real folder, but a collection of shortcut links to multiple folders on your computer and the files inside those folders. For example, you more than likely have documents that are stored in multiple locations on your computer, like your documents folder, a network drive, an external hard drive, or even in the cloud. You can have a documents library which references all of those places. When you open the library, you see all the folders and their contents as if they're a subfolder of the documents library. This really helps with productivity when you work with lots of files split over many locations. Windows 10 has 6 default libraries: Camera Roll, Documents, Music, Pictures, Saved Pictures, and Videos. By default, 4 of them are visible in your folder structure on the left-hand side. To create a new library, you can right-click on the existing library, select New, and then Library, or click on Libraries, make sure you're on the Home tab, choose New Item, and then select Library. To add a folder to that library, locate the folder wherever it is on your computer, right-click on it, include in Library, and then you select which library you want that to be included in. Now when I'm looking to open a file which is located in one of those folders, I select my libraries, I select my new library, and I can click directly onto the folder that I want to get access to. If you do want to remove a folder from your library, select your library, come up to your library tools up at the top, and manage the library. I can then remove any of the folders from within my library. As you can see, libraries are a great feature of Windows. I use them extensively in Windows and think that they offer a significant productivity improvement. What about you? Are you using Windows libraries? How are you managing your files when you need to be finding them really quickly?